Here's an example of SpongeBob SquarePants, the clam clock from one of his shows there for the kids. Here's another example of a scissor arm used, a short film called Cuckoo, an Iron Brew commercial using scissor arms, a Volkswagen commercial playing a spoof on a cuckoo clock, an early Disney film using the scissor arm, another movie by, I guess this one's Little Einsteins, an early Tom and Jerry movie using scissor arm, a short film Jack the Cuckoo using a half scissor arm for a cuckoo clock, kind of a cartoon using scissor arming effect. Again, another scene from the Cuckoo movie. This is a short film, French-Canadian movie using an inverted scissor arm. Again, another shot of that. This is Higglytown Heroes using a scissored arm cuckoo clock. And of course, one of the most famous ones, the Poo-Koo clock, made famous by Disney in the one of its 1973 releases. And so I'll take you in the other room and we can show you how we've been working on our clocks. We've just completed one of our new cuckoo clocks for the August edition on our website. I'll let you take a look at that and see what you think. Now, this is a basic cuckoo clock, which most people are familiar with. Little birdie comes out, not too much. And this is our cuckoo clock. A little bit larger, but yet it requires that space for what it does. So take a look. Whoa! This is one of our first groups of clocks that we'll be producing using the scissor arm effect, which we received a patent on. Quite a stark contrast to the normal cuckoo clock, where the bird is actually coming out full front and center, outstanding of the clock. There's what the normal cuckoo clock does. And here's the new and improved cuckoo clock. Now, if you're interested in these, you can actually visit our website, www.cornerclocks.com, or you can reach us by phone, 859-389-7370. Again, these are new upcoming clocks, and we have many different other models coming out soon. And that's it.